Ready to ditch the static and inject some serious energy into your CapCut videos? We're diving headfirst into the world of keyframes. Keyframes are the secret ingredient for creating animations and dynamic changes that will take your videos from basic to brilliant. First, import your clip or image into CapCut and place it on the timeline now. Select the clip and look for the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Tap it to add your first keyframe at the playhead position. Keyframes mark specific points in time where you define properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Move the playhead further down the timeline and adjust the position of your clip in the preview window. CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe. The magic happens between these keyframes. CapCut smoothly interpolates the changes, creating animation. Want your element to zoom in? Add a keyframe, move further down the timeline, adjust the scale, and bam! You've got a zoom effect. Rotation works the same way. Place a keyframe, move the playhead, change the rotation value, and your element spins. Play around with these properties. There are endless possibilities. Keyframes are your gateway to professional motion graphics, object tracking, and so much more. The more you experiment, the better you'll get at creating captivating visuals. So get in there, add some keyframes, and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Now go make something amazing.